Hello YouTube followers. First of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are well and doing good in your lives. So now let's move to the details of this video. Wait. Before going to the details of this video, I have some little few requests to you that if you are not a subscriber and you haven't subscribed our channel since yet, then please do subscribe our channel, and while subscribing the channel, kindly do press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest uploads and updates of our channel. And secondly, kindly do watch all of my channel's videos till end so that you could get all the amazing stylish and classy ideas related to women fashion. And thirdly, the last one request before you get bored, and that is, if you like these videos, kindly like the video and please share my videos among your social circle, that is your friends and family. And now let's move to the details of this video. Dear followers, dear subscribers, in this video I am here with you along with a very beautiful, exquisite, stylish, classy and handmade lace collection of crochet. All of the designs are entirely made up of crochet and other knitting materials, that are knitting pants that are available in market. And all of you can see these designs are very pretty and pretty much simple. Different color combination techniques has been used. The flowers are made up of very beautiful, chunky and stylish types bright colors, and where the design is composed of leaves, yeah, comprises of stems, that is, the designer has used green color. So I would recommend you to kindly try these color combinations. And the main and the foremost question, where you would use these design ideas. These lace patterns can be used on any of your, I will again repeat, on any of your dressing sense, dressing technology, dressing terminology, dressing, or whatever you can say. That is, you can make these designs if you are a professional and know the art of knitting with crochet or other type of pens that are used to knit stuffs with the help of threads that could be silky, sleek, shiny thread, or dull, dry and matte wool, anchor or staple. So we were talking about where you can use the designs. You can use these lace patterns, these designing borders, these edging designs, or whatever you want to say, on your shirts, borders, on your necklines as a lace, as a motif, on your scarves, borders, or even on your trousers, which are very small and funky style laces. As you could see, these design patterns are composed of simple, medium, and complex level of designs. One more request, and it's my humble request that kindly do ignore the language proficiency mistakes, as English is not my native language. So now let's move back to the details. Yeah, we were talking about the color combinations, the knitting terminologies. So you could use these design patterns on the edges, on the borders of your sweaters, coats, scarves, strollers, shawls, dupattas, or whatever dressing style, stitching style of clothes, fabrics you are going to wear. These design patterns are not only limited to the dressing terminologies, but these design patterns, these lace patterns, these edging border designs could be used in a number of, or you could say in a variety of ways to decor your home. These are very stylish and delicate ways to decorate your home stuff, like curtains, like pillow covers, like cushion covers, like bed sheet corners, like table covers, like kitchen accessory covers, like pot covers, or whatever you want to design or have any type of covering terminology that could have a cover or a mat. You could these design patterns on the edges or as borders. So I hope you would follow my instructions and you would actually consider my opinions and you will try these. designs. No need to worry about. If you are not a professional, then you can follow these design patterns, color combination, design ideas, and show them to a nearby profession who could design these and is already a professional by giving some amount of money. And you could get your desired lace patterns knitted through crochet or many other knitting pens. So, kindly allow me. Soon I will be back in your services along with a very stylish and new, classy and trendy design ideas. Up till then, goodbye, take care, and do watch my channel on daily basis. Please make a routine. Bye bye.